Hi everyone, my name is Geraldine Convento and I'm from Meet Geraldine Brand and Web Strategy in Oakland, California. And today I'm really excited to share with you my 3 tips for SEO success. The first tip is measurement. SEO is largely reliant upon historical data. What that means is that the algorithms, the different tools that analyze all of these searches across the internet looks at 3 to 12 months past history of SEO searches. So it takes all of that data and it uses behaviors and different words that come up to determine what is the best information that it can return to the person who's using the search engine. For you as a business owner, what that means is it's so important to know where you are. Whether you've had a business for an extended period of time or you're just starting a new business, make it a priority to track and measure your activity on your website. 2 tools that I like to use are Google Analytics as well as Google Search Console, which used to be known as Google Webmaster Tools. When you install Google Analytics, what this will allow you to do is measure who's coming to your website, where they're coming from, as well as what they're doing when they're on your website. There are also advanced tools that allow you to track when people stop in a video, what they're doing in relationship to the products on your store, and many other things. Google Search Console allows you to see which keywords Google associates your website with across the net. This is very powerful because you get to see what keywords Google associates you with and cater your new content to rank higher for the keywords that you want to rank for. Tip number 2. Sooner is better than later. If you're thinking about optimizing your website, don't wait. And the reason for this is it takes at least 2 to 6 months for all of the different search engines to index and properly associate your website with the search terms and the context and all of the different relationships that you have on the internet and bring your website to the users that need to find you. So whether you're thinking about doing a big campaign or a phased approach, make sure that you're starting now. Tip number 3. See what your competitors are up to using SEMrush. SEMrush.com is one of my favorite tools. It's very robust and gives a lot of information. So here's a couple tips of how you can use it to check out your competitors. The first step is to go to their website and either type your known competitor's website name into the search bar or create a free account so that way you have bandwidth for more searches. Second, what I highly recommend is think of a broad term that you would associate your profession with. Just for the sake of example, I'm going to choose web development and then type in the city that you're in. In this case, I'm going to type in web development Oakland. As you can see, nothing came up. And what that indicates is that web development Oakland isn't really a popular enough term for the search engines to recognize and track it. Then you have to become a little creative. How about taking it to a broader level? Web development Bay Area. As you can see, it does return results. The 2 things you want to look at is search volume, which is the average number of searches per month, and the number of results, which are the number of results for this keyword across the internet. This one has 10, so it might not be as favorable, so I'll look in the related keywords section to find a keyword that's more favorable. This one has 390 searches, so I'm going to click on that. The next thing that you do is go down to look at the top websites that are associated with this keyword. Look for your direct or indirect competitor websites. Next, visit these websites and make an observation. What type of language are they using? Does it seem like they're using similar keywords to one another? What is the competitive edge or value that you provide beyond these competitors? And how can you make your content better? Other websites that are referenced on this list might be articles that are in major publications or maybe Wikipedia articles. In the event that you're seeing that in this list, you might look for an opportunity either within a blog post or somewhere else in your website to link out to that particular article. This is going to give you a better sense of what types of things you should write on your website that's original, as well as what types of things is Google associating with your particular profession. Thanks for watching my video on the 3 tips for SEO success. Remember that those are all things that you should do, and it doesn't stop there. There are so many different ways to optimize a website. Years ago, I developed the SEO 7 system of optimizing websites. It's a holistic approach using 7 methods of optimizing a website with both business strategy in mind as well as technicality. I invite you to check out our website to learn about upcoming workshops that I'm hosting, as well as sign up for exclusive access to my SEO 7 Master Course that I'm launching in August of 2018. I hope that you all have a great day, and feel free to reach out to me for an SEO campaign or consultation to improve your website ranking. Bye.